So I just want to say welcome to everyone. I'm very excited to be kicking off our third day of the Capital Factory Fed Supernova Conference. I'm coming to you live from the music capital of the world, Austin, Texas, here at our Accenture Austin Innovation Center. You can see the cool mural that's behind me. We leverage this to inspire conversation with our clients. As Julie indicated, I'm Tamara Fields. I'm our Austin office managing director. In my role, I'm responsible for bringing innovation to clients, engaging, and leading a team of more than 3,700 resources here in Austin, contributing to our local community. In addition, as she noted, I'm the director of operations of our Accenture United States South Market Unit, responsible for executing our business strategy, growth and efficiency, and engaging our people across our 13-state region. In the midst of COVID-19, daily conversations among our top leaders across public and private sectors alike are no longer just about profits and operations. They now include business continuity, safety, security, and resilience. Working from home has opened up a new attack vectors and work issues, including those from insider threats. And that's why we're here today for the cybersecurity track. It's important for us to maintain our business and make sure that our employees are protected from these threats as we work from home and our offices. I want to thank all of you for joining today for the last day of our first ever Fed Supernova. What's for sure to be a day filled of great conversations and collaborations and exciting panels. And I really hope that you learn a lot as we operate across the ecosystem of Texas. At Accenture, we have a strong focus on innovation and experience advising some of the largest public and commercial clients around the world. We have more than 500,000 employees globally and are able to leverage the power of our global network, insights, and collaboration and relationships to bring continuous innovation and deliver exceptional service for our clients as we do business. One of the key areas that I'm very excited about, and especially in collaboration with Capital Factory, is our Accenture Ventures. We team partners and invest in the next wave of disruptive technology, and that's something that Capital Factory does as well, to bring innovations that solve today's problems and help prepare us for tomorrow. Our Accenture Federal Services teams partner with federal agencies across defense, intelligence, public safety, civilian and military health organizations to transform and innovate communities where we live and work. Here in Texas, we have offices in Austin and Dallas, San Antonio, and Houston. We have more than 9,500 personnel across the state of Texas who are focused on public safety, civilian, military health, and to bring important public and commercial innovations for our future. Here in Austin, as I noted, we're in our Innovation Center. We have our Accenture Interactive teams. We create experiences for people that are focused on end-user experiences for their solutions and the services that our clients bring. Dallas has our Cloud Innovation Center, where we are quickly developing and testing and implementing cloud solutions and doing that from a secure perspective, which is really important as we move into cloud technologies. In Houston, we have our Cyber Fusion Center Operational Technologies capability, which is a one-stop shop for creating and testing effective security industrial operations. And in San Antonio, we have our Federal Cybersecurity, where we provide 24/7, 365 days a year operation for monitoring and defending government networks. So we're very proud of the work that our employees offer to the state of Texas and our clients around the U.S. and around the world, and especially our support in the military world. I myself spent 20 years in this IT space and spent a large number of those years working in our Accenture Federal Services business, working with the military, working with the U.S. Army on one of our very large enterprise systems. And I think it's really important that we have this dialogue about how we're going to protect our world today. Again, I just want to say thanks to everyone. We are proud to sponsor this conference track because we think it's important to hear a number of topics today from the speakers and panelists that you have. I think that you're going to get great insight. It's important for us to talk about the future of cybersecurity as the threat situation continues. I think it's important to have diversity as we drive innovation and continue to work together to drive a stronger outcome. We have a great lineup of speakers and programming today with our fireside chat. We have a networking and panel discussion, and that's really going to showcase the Texas cyber ecosystem. Again, thank you for tuning in. Without further delay, we're gonna get started with a fireside chat with our Accenture Federal Services Managing Director, George Bronx, and Lieutenant General Hawk. I hope that you really enjoy today, that you gain a lot of information, and this helps you prepare for your process for how you're going to address cybersecurity in the future. Thanks again, and we're excited to be sponsoring this event.